think we started. Oh, y'all, it's very, let me see, it's very windy right now. Dang, it feels cold. I got a drink. I love these things right here. I'm gonna try to do some push-ups right now, do a little bit of workout before work, and we're gonna see what happens. It's a pretty day outside, but man, it's windy. It's starting to get cold. I have to work at 5 p.m. So it's gonna be a 28 minute walk to work, so we'll see how that works out. I'm gonna have to end up walking to work, so gonna see what happens. Like the videos, check out the other videos on the channel. Hit the subscribe. Like every video because it helps the rhythm, helps the channel. So yeah.